Live from Nyanga FM studios, this na Nyanga Tori with Najite Atirene.
89.9 Yanga FM, Yanga Tori for 6 o'clock this Tuesday evening, the number 15 day for Inside July 2025. Better country people, but like I'm saying, you join us this evening. The body of former President Muhammadu Buhari on the ground now for grave for in Daura residence, so inside Katsina State, where be gravesite for garden where them talk say in they enjoy to taking rest before in body they lowered for ground. Them wrapping body with the Nigerian national green and white flag. For inside a military tradition, the Nigerian military perform gunshot salute as symbol to of national last respect to former President Muhammadu Buhari and the Chief of Defense Staff General Christopher Musa in recitation in honor. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Vice President Kashim Shettima, former Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma, the son of the deceased Yusuf Buhari, plus including the Chief of Staff Femi Gbajabiamila and many other dignitaries, them they present for the gravesite to commit the former president to Mother Earth. Before they move to prayer ground, a large crowd of mourners, them see them they take turns to pay their last respect to the late Nigerian leader. Meanwhile, TVC News correspondent Lupe Asom bin tell Yanga FM News Desk say plenty crowd of people been there outside in residence where come give them their last respects.
The ambulance bearing the body of the former president, Muhammadu Buhari, just arrived at his house, and it was accompanied by the vice president, former vice president, and members of the Federal Executive Council. The National Security Advisor was also on ground. His body was accompanied in by a military ambulance, and his family members were also on ground to welcome the hearse that brought in his body. You could see his family members crying, his sisters, other women clad in black, believed to be his sisters, aunties, daughters, granddaughters, were all in tears. And shortly after that, the ambulance bearing his body moved straight to the helipad where prayers will be conducted for the repose of his soul. As to speak, his body has been taken to the prayer ground for prayers for the repose of his soul, which will be led by the chief imam of Daura. Among the somber, there's a normal crowd outside. The street is littered with a lot of people who have come to pay their last respect. A lot of them were chanting prayers. A lot of them were shouting when his body made entrance into this premises. So a lot of people have come from other states, and we also have members of the diplomatic community who are coming from neighboring allied nations to pay their respects. We see people coming in. Hopefully, it's the return of his body for final enjoyment.
Muhammadu Buhari died for inside London, the United Kingdom, around 4:30 for evening on Sunday, the number 13 day for July 2025, for the age of 82.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.